We have 2 thumbs up. That means drivers, hands off the controllers in 3, 2, 1, go!
Gorobots moving slowly towards that position to get those points. Matrix doing the same, but it looks like something is, and that transfer is working, and that's 3 artifacts in there, filling up that gate. We're seeing some movement over on the red side. 33748, weight on our shoulders. Looks like they may be trying to get something from there, but 26215 Matrix is really trying to get those preset artifacts into their ramp. And those last couple shots are going to tie up this auto.
Drivers,
18 to 18 here. Looks like a pretty even match here. We're going to see a lot of these gates drop pretty quickly. Red Alliance looks like they're going to grab those presets that they didn't score in a autonomous.
2, 1.
Botanist's going to have to go and try and steal a couple of those presets over from the Red Alliance. Meanwhile, Red Alliance going and doing the exact same thing over from the loading zones. We're seeing a lot of conflict over here in the very center. 33748, interesting firing position from the far side of the shooting area. Not very popular firing position, but it seems nice when all of those robots are pretty tied up in there. And Gorobots is up there pretty close to the red scoring zone, but they're going to try and grab some of the more of these, try and get some in there with a pretty high arc. Meanwhile, Matrix just moving back and forth. Something might be strange with their transfer. They have the artifacts. They're not shooting. Meanwhile, 33748, weight on our shoulders, just completely optimizing this far shooting area. No one is over there to even tell them no. 31190 might go over there, try and take a couple of those from the loading area. It might have to get closer in the next one. That red ramp is full, so Gorobots is going to drop that. Those artifacts in the loading zone are going to be prime real estate for some of these teams trying to score. Red is up in this match right now, 103 to 46, with 30 artifacts to Blue's 10. And Gorobots is going to keep making that happen with that high arc close shot. Just really close, grabbing these stray pixels as they can. Meanwhile, Matrix Robotics still trying to score those couple artifacts that they've had. 33748 making good use of their unique scoring position over there, grabbing from that loading zone. Unfortunately, they're going to need to, not going to be able to score that with the risk of disturbing what they've got going on the ramp there. So that is going to be the end of this match. Looks like we might be able to see 102 is the Red Alliance with a score of 159 to 63.